They have already started. Start, children.
ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ 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 ಭೂಮಿ ತಾಯಮ್ಮ ಭೂಮಿ ತಾಯಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ 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 ಭೂಮಿ ತಾಯಮ್ಮ ಭೂಮಿ ತಾಯಮ್ಮ ಈ ಸುಗ್ಗಿ ತಂದವಳಾರಮ್ಮ ಈ ಹುಗ್ಗಿ ತಂದವಳಾರಮ್ಮ ಭೂಮಿ ತಾಯಮ್ಮ ಈ ಅಂಬಲಿ ತಂದವಳಾರಮ್ಮ
In a village of Uttar Pradesh, there lived a group of farmers who were the largest producers of sugarcane, milk, rice, grams, barley, and peas. When everything was just in place, the village faced drought. Everyone gathered at a place in a village and started discussing their problems. Agriculture is the sole source of income. We work tirelessly to ensure that everyone gets food on the table every day. Nobody appreciates us. Do we have an essential role in our society? We do not have a decent way of life. We are unable to give a basic education for our children. Sometimes the situation is so bad that we don't have enough food for ourselves and we need to face hunger. Global warming is affecting our earth in every manner, and it is directly impacting our agriculture. Every season we are witnessing some unnatural changes and hence crops are getting damaged. Agriculture is collapsing, poor crops, low prices, and insufficient loans or no loans at all. Let this come to an end.
Where's my money? I need it right now. Okay, I give one more chance. Where's my money? I need it right now. I'm going to check all of them.
Farmers are the heart of the country. Farmers in India are in dire condition. Every moment we see the news of farmers' suicides. A farmer receives nothing in hand since the intermediaries receives the majority of the money.
Raju, come let's hand this life. Yes, we will. Prabhu, come let's hang ourselves. Yes, we will. Kesar, come let's jump in the well. Yes, we will.
ಬೆಳೆದ ಬೆಳೆಗೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಲೆಯೂ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಛಲವ ಬಿಡದ ಭೂಮಿಲಿ ನಿಂತನು ಒಂದು ಅಗಳು ತನು ವ್ಯರ್ಥ ಮಾಡದೆ ಬಾನಿನತ್ತರ ಫಲವ ಕೊಟ್ಟನು ಅನ್ನದಾತ ಅನ್ನದಾತ ಜನರ ಪಾಲಿನ ಸ್ನೇಹದಾತ ತನ್ನುಸಿರವೇ ಉಸಿರು ಕೊಟ್ಟನು ಬಿಸಿಲು ಮಳೆಗೆ ತನ್ನ ಜೀವ ತೆತ್ತನು ಬಳಪ ಹಿಡಿದ ಭಗವಂತ
ಇರುತ್ತಾನೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸುತ್ತ ಅವತಾರ ನಾನಾ ರೂಪವೋ ಕತ್ತಲೆಯಿಂದ ಬಹಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈಯ ಹಿಡಿಯುತ್ತ ಕರೆದೊಯ್ದ ಬೆಳಕು ತೋರಲು ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಳೆಸಲು ಭಾಷೆ ಅಮೃತ ಕುಡಿಸೋ ತಾಯಾಗಿ ಭಾಷೆ ಅಮೃತ ಕುಡಿಸೋ ತಾಯಾಗಿ ಭವಿಷ್ಯ ಬರೆವಂತ ನಂದೇನೋ ಆಗಿ.
In a world of smartphones, high-speed internet and bustling city life, it's easy to forget the backbone of our existence, Guru. Guru is someone who helps others acquire educational information, skills, knowledge, or morality. God has generally gifted us with teachers. They are the ones that built a wonderful future for a nation and make a better world. A teacher teaches us superiority of a pen over a sword. They are the societal pillars that uplift people and enlighten them. Possibly the most significant profession in our society are teachers. No matter how we thank them, they will always be remembered.
ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಯೋಧ ನಾಡಿಗೆ ರೈತ ಬಾಳಿಗೆ ಗುರು ಒಬ್ಬ ತಾನೆ ಅಕ್ಷರ ಕಲಿಸೋ ಅಜ್ಞಾನ ಅಳಿಸೋ ಅವನೂನು ಅನ್ನದಾತಾನೆ ತಪ್ಪು ಸರಿಯ ತಿದ್ದಿ ತಿಳಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಸಮಬುದ್ಧಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಿತ್ತ ಶುದ್ಧಿಯಾಗೋ ಹಾದಿ ಎಷ್ಟೇ ದೂರ ಹೋದ್ರೂ ಮರಿಬೇಡ ನಿನ್ನ ಬೇರು ನಿನ್ನ ಸಾಧನೆಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇದುವೇ ಆದಿ ಪಾಠಶಾಲಾ 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 ವೋ ವೋ
The quote, "A teacher is a craftsman of people," means that a teacher's role is not just to impact knowledge but to shape and mold the minds, character, and personality of the student. In essence, teachers are the foundation upon which all the other professions are built. Teacher does not mean only an academic teacher. It is all over: a music teacher, a dance teacher, sports teacher, arts teacher. For all these heroes a hat off.
कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे, कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं।
जाते हुए लम्हों जरा ठहरो मैं भी तो चलता हूँ जरा उनसे मिलता हूँ
कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं
संदेश आते हैं हमें तड़पाते हैं चिट्ठी आती है पूछे जाती है कि घर कब आओगे कि घर कब आओगे लिखो कब आओगे कि तुम बिन ये घर सूना सूना है
तुझे सलाम माँ तुझे सलाम अम्मा तुझे सलाम वंदे मातरम
Soldiers are one of the greatest assets of any country. They are the guardians of the nation and protects all the citizens at all cost. They are supposed to fulfill challenging duties and exceptional qualities to become a great soldier. However, their lives are very tough. A country sleeps peacefully as the soldier performs his duties. A person usually joins the army out of love for his motherland. He is never off duty whether he's sleeping or on battlefield. It disturbs them emotionally and they do not even get any holidays, even in festivals. They are busy safeguarding the nation.
ऐ मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सौ दर्द सहे महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे ना रहे हाँ मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे फीका ना पड़े कभी रंग तेरा जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू सरसों से भरे खलियान मेरे जहाँ झूम के भंगड़ा पा न सका आबाद रहे वो गाँव मेरा